So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can convert a horizontal video to a vertical video in CapCut. So for example, here I have a horizontal landscape video and I would like it to be vertical video so I can use it on short format media platforms. So what I need to do is that you just need to click on the clip which you would like to convert, and you just need to change the size of the canvas by clicking on this ratio. And you just need to choose 9:16, and then it's gonna change the canvas size. So now if you would like it to fit the whole canvas, you just need to hold on one of the corners and just drag it into the canvas. Basically, you can also click on the video and just drag it right and left so that it fits the screen perfectly. Obviously, there's a chance that some important parts of the video will be cut out. Then you can just make the size smaller. If you don't see the corners because you've already made the video fit the canvas, then you just need to go to basic and you see this scale here, and you can change the size with the scale too. If you have the black sides on the video, what you can do is just go to video and basic, and you should be able to see canvas possibility. For some reason I don't have the canvas possibility here, but you should be able to see the canvas here, and with the canvas you just need to choose blur, and then you'll be able to blur the sides of the video. I think it's much more aesthetic if you just fit the whole video into the canvas, if it's possible. Alright, so basically that's how you convert a horizontal video to vertical video in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.